Hi, I'm Michelle Pires, Staff Product Manager at Corp. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the next generation of autonomous cleaning, the Tennant X6 ROVR, the newest autonomous scrubber to join the family of robots powered by BrainOS, our industry-leading autonomy platform. With BrainOS at the core, the X6 continuously analyzes its environment through its 3D LIDAR and RGB camera and makes smart decisions in real time, adjusting its cleaning behavior on the fly to handle obstacles, shifting layouts, and the demands of busy facilities. The X6 is designed for agility, ideal for environments like retail stores, warehouses, and offices. It can navigate aisles as narrow as 41 inches, make 90-degree turns in just 47 inches, and clean within 3 inches of walls, maximizing coverage even in tight spaces. With up to 6 hours of runtime on a single charge, the X6 is built to go the distance. And when paired with the Tennant XC1 charging station, it becomes part of a fully hands-off cleaning routine, with the ability to schedule cleanings in advance, so it can start its job automatically and work around your facility's needs. BrainOS Ops Management tools also provide full visibility to track performance, receive real-time alerts, and manage your entire fleet from anywhere. At Corp, we're proud to bring autonomy to life at scale and with safety and security at its foundation.